Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this Banks Armor Tint case built with Kevlar for our Apple iPhone 16 Pro. It's also available in or for the iPhone 16, the iPhone 16 Plus, and the iPhone 16 Pro Max. But if you have such a device, you have to select them before you order, of course. But it looks the same, only the dimensions are a little bit different. We have patterns out there. That means we have here the blue one, a green one on the market, and a dawn light gold. There's a starlight blue here, which I'm going to see or show you. Then on the market, a polar light green and dawn light gold. You can choose what you prefer. It's built with Kevlar fiber. Armor Tint combines rugged durability with vibrant hues, offering both style, baby. Style is really cool. Durability with vibrant hues. Style and substance. We have here durable Kevlar fiber, vibrant color options, and a MagSafe compatibility. Its slim and lightweight design. It makes to your phone nearly everything what you need, because we have here 1000D Kevlar fiber, PC and magnets. The thickness is only 1.3 millimeter. The weight is 22.7 gram. We are going to introduce the Armor Tint here. Unveil the colors of protection. We have here the colorful evolution of the Kevlar. The Armor Tint is the next generation of Kevlar protection, now with a splash of color. We step away from the boring black and white and dive into a world of bold, vibrant hues. With Armor Tint, we get the same unbeatable protection, but with a twist that lets us personalize shine through every shade. Between the warp and the wear threads are tangent and woven into fabric. Colors sleep and shift between, creating strong visual contrast. To retain the most authentic texture of the fabric, black stripes in the weaving sequences is a unique sense of depth. And it looks really cool. We can choose here the stellar. Immerse our device in the cool, sophisticated of stellar blue, evoking sense of modern elegance. Or you choose the Aurora option. We transform our smartphone with the refreshing, unique look of the Aurora green, capturing the sleek, contemporary fiber. And or we choose Dawn. We elevate our style. Dawn, from dusk till dawn, offering luxurious and reliable to our everyday essential. And Airlight Kevlar Thin. The engineered to be airy, light, and Kevlar thin. It offers robust durability without the bulk. We enjoy the perfect blend of strength and style with the Armor Tint. We have here Gaunt, our lens in style. We have a magnetic charging possibility, so we can use the MagSafe system, because on the bottom or on the back side of the case there are 52 magnets which will dock us to, for example, the QI station, MagSafe station, in a glance, in a second, no prop for it. That's really cool, and it's easy to slide in our iPhone into this case. And of course, after this, we have a 360 protection. The screen's protected, the back is protected, and the halo of our smartphone is protected too. This all and the camera is extra to protect it. This all brings us the Armor Tint case built with Kevlar for the iPhone 16 Pro in this case. It makes it really cool. Durable Kevlar fiber and vibrant color options. And the massive compatibility, slim and lightweight design brings it to our smartphone to protect it and to handle it every day, baby. This is the Armor Tint case by Banks. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun.